Understanding A Pig in a Poke, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, a pig in a poke. This phrase might sound quirky, but it's packed with meaning and history. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English. A pig in a poke refers to a situation where someone buys or accepts something without checking it first, leading to a surprise or disappointment. It's similar to buying something without seeing it or knowing its true value. The idiom is a cautionary reminder to be aware and check things before making a decision. The phrase dates back to the Middle Ages. Poke is an old word for a bag or sack. So, the phrase literally means buying a pig while it's still in a bag, without actually seeing it. This could lead to being tricked, as unscrupulous sellers might put something less valuable in the bag. The idiom teaches the lesson of verifying before trusting. In modern English, you might use a pig in a poke to describe scenarios where there's a lack of information or when someone is taking a risk without sufficient knowledge. For example, if your friend buys a car online without seeing it first, you might say, "Aren't you worried it could be a pig in a poke?" Other languages have similar sayings, like buying a cat in a sack, in some European languages. In English, a related idiom is let the cat out of the bag, which refers to revealing a secret, often linked to the original concept of revealing the true contents of the bag. We hope this exploration of a pig in a poke has been enlightening and fun. Remember, this idiom is a colorful way to express the importance of being cautious and informed. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.